Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Snapchat video glitch. So, sometimes what happens, you are recording something and the video might get glitched. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step to fix it, and if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your profile, then go to settings, and then go a bit down where you can find let's say clear cache. Just go over here and just press continue and everything will be clear. This is one of the steps. And then what you need to do is just go to your settings, then go to apps, and then go to your Snapchat from here like this, and then go to permissions and make sure the camera is turned on and make sure the storage is turned on as well. And then just check your internet connection and then just open your Snapchat again and try. Your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.